Hello friends, in this video I will show how to convert minutes to hours in Excel. So there is one formula you can use to convert your minutes into hours equal, then select cell. Now divide 24 and 60. So this is the formula. Press enter. Now right click on this cell, format cells, and here select time and select this second one, then click on OK. Now drag and drop to apply this formula to these odd numbers. Now you will make any changes, so it will appear here. Now if you will make changes here, so it will appear here. So thanks for watching.